How to cancel a Shopify subscription. To cancel a Shopify subscription, you need to follow a series of steps through your Shopify admin account. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings option, which is typically found in the lower left corner of the dashboard. From there, select Plans or Billing, depending on your interface. In the Plan section, look for the option labeled Deactivate Store or Cancel Subscription. Click on this option, and you will be prompted to confirm your choice. You will need to select a reason for the cancellation from a drop-down menu, and then click Continue. A pop-up will appear asking for your admin password. Enter it to proceed. Finally, click Deactivate Now to confirm the cancellation of your subscription. It's important to note that once you deactivate your store, you will lose access to the Shopify admin area, and your store data will be retained for up to 2 years in case you decide to return. Be aware that Shopify does not issue refunds for any remaining time on your billing cycle, so you will continue to have access until the end of your current billing period. Additionally, ensure that you resolve any outstanding orders or payments, and consider exporting any important data before proceeding with the cancellation.